Hi, Jan. Now here's some stone there's piles of each color. There's a lot of copper in here. And then you want to explain this to her? Then over here there's some grays, which all can be combined.
Right, we have browns over here. This stuff can all be split.
There's browns over there?
Yeah, right here, this is kind of a brown.
Okay, so
thin copper over there just to your right. Thin gray right behind you.
This is called what? Thin?
That's called chocolate gray.
Chocolate gray.
Right. The pallets directly behind are called copper. This way.
Oh, this way here.
And if you can get a shot from the side of the basket, there's some on back in there that's stacked up a little neater. You can kind of get an idea of what it would look like stacked up.
Talking about like right
behind you there. Those three behind you. They're behind you right now. Those are stacked up a little neater.
Oh, these here.
You can get the side of the basket there.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Okay. So these are like a mixture of the coppers and the grays.
That's right.
Okay. This is called Stone City.
That's right.